Hello. This little demonstration shows you how to upload, download and delete files in your Packfrog puddle. Remember, everything is end-to-end encrypted. Nobody can access and view anything. And that includes us. So, let's start. You can start an upload by clicking here. On mobile devices, simply click the upload icon at the bottom of the screen. But it's easier to just drag files from your desktop into your puddle. This is the upload screen. Make sure that your email address is pre-selected. You can send data to other people. But this is a topic for a different video. We are ready. Let's upload the data. You can send up to 5 files at the same time, simply by dragging them into your puddle. Okay. The data has been stored safely. Now let's look how to download it again. If you click or touch an entry, the single file menu slides in. This allows you to download a file, to delete it, share it, or to request information about it. The information icon gives you details about the selected file. Images may even contain a preview. This is very convenient and it is also safe. Because even this preview is encrypted. To download a file, just click the green arrow. Your data will be downloaded and decrypted. And you can store it on your computer or mobile device. Certain documents will be shown right away, without storing any data on the computer. This is a security feature. If you want to store the data on your device, simply click the Save button. All data downloaded is usually stored in your browser's download folder. Check your browser on how to access this directory. To delete a file, click on the file entry. Then simply click the delete icon. Hasta la vista. Bye-bye file. You can also delete or download multiple files. Simply select the files, and open the 3-dot multi-file menu. Well, there you go. We have reached the end of our little demo video. Thanks for watching. And may the frog be with you, always.